not going to have the heat up until Sunday starts in triple digits.
You mean the AC?
I mean the weather.
The weather.
It's going to...
Where's this babe coming? This babe's supposed to come out and scare me.